We'll guide you through how to set up a Calendly webhook. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Calendly account on your desktop and head straight to the Integrations tab on the top menu. Once there, scroll down until you find the webhook section and click on it. You'll see an option to add new webhook or create webhook depending on your version. So go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll need to input your webhook URL, which is a URL of the server where you want Calendly to send the event details. Make sure your URL is secure, using HTTPS as Calendly requires this for security reasons. Next, you can select the events you want to trigger the webhook. Typically, these are invitee created or invitee canceled. So choose according to your needs. Now, you can add any custom headers if your server requires them for authentication. This might include an API key or a token. After setting this up, hit the Create Webhook button. It's a good idea to test your webhook to ensure it's working correctly. You can manually create a dummy event in Calendly to see if the data is sent to your server. Check your server logs to confirm this. If everything's set up properly, you should see the event details being received. Remember, webhooks are a powerful way to automate tasks and integrate Calendly with other applications. If you encounter any issues, double check your webhook URL and headers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.